Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. Today we're going to take a look at a new product we're going to start offering. So this is an OEM style S15 replacement harness. So it's manufactured in the same way all of our OEM harnesses are, and the same way Nissan manufactures them. Has a separate lower harness, and it also has a main harness. Now, what we're doing with these is this is mainly geared for a turbocharged engine, but you can use it in either chassis. So you can either use it in a non-turbo or a turbo chassis. There are some ABS differences, but we have both of the ABS systems covered. And you can use it as a conversion harness to do a turbo motor in your non-turbo chassis. And pretty much it's basically like all of our other OEM style products. Normal corrugated tubing, tape. It's manufactured just like a Nissan product would be, and it has a very OEM clean fitting look. It's got all the nice little clips to hold it to the firewall and various brackets on the motor. So hopefully, now that S15s are getting really popular, this will be a good one for you guys.